Introducing Spantec's Ezideck, a great alternative to traditional timber deck frames. Ezideck is a strong, durable and simple to install galvanized steel deck kit. It requires minimal maintenance, is termite proof and perfect to use in bushfire-prone areas. Delivered anywhere in New South Wales, Ezideck arrives at your door in kit form with a full set of step-by-step installation drawings. All easy beam bearers and joists are already cut to length and labelled with their size and the position of where they are to be installed. All brackets and fixings are supplied, so you have everything you need to build your complete deck frame. Every easy beam bearer comes with pre-punched joist holes and stamped bracket locations. These eliminate errors and save you installation and set-out time. All Ezideck kits are supplied with easy piers, which are adjustable steel piers that make levelling your deck a straightforward process. The easy piers are offset, allowing for a flush finish around your building line. A full set of engineered working drawings are supplied as part of your Ezideck kit. These show your site set-out, footing sizes, connection details and instructions on how to attach to an existing house structure. If you're after a deck frame that is cost-effective, will give you longevity and is quick and easy to install, please visit spantec.com.au for more information.